English phrases explained. Circle the date. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase, circle the date. This phrase is used frequently in both casual and formal contexts, and understanding its meaning and usage can be very helpful in everyday communication. Let's explore what it means, its origins, and how you can use it in your own conversations. Circle the date is an idiomatic expression used to emphasize the importance of remembering or noting a particular date because something significant or special is happening. It originates from the practice of marking a date on a calendar with a circle to highlight its importance. This phrase is often used when planning events, making appointments, or looking forward to special occasions. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. Planning an event. Our wedding anniversary is coming up on June 15th. Don't forget to circle the date on your calendar. 2. Making an appointment. Your next dental checkup is on September 10th. Make sure you circle the date so you won't forget. 3. Anticipating a special occasion. The concert we've been waiting for is on July 3rd. Let's circle the date and start making plans. While circle the date is the most common form, there are variations. Mark the date, used interchangeably with circle the date. Save the date, often used in formal invitations, suggesting that the recipient should reserve the day for a specific event. You can use this phrase in many situations. When sending invitations, while planning events with friends or colleagues, in professional settings to emphasize the importance of deadlines or meetings. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, circle the date. Remember, it's all about highlighting a specific day for something important. Use it in your conversations to show that you're looking forward to a special day or event. Until next time, keep practicing your English and don't forget to circle the date for our next video.